Hello viewers, this is Azharul Rafy once again. Welcome to this new video where I'm going to talk about my YouTubing journey so far with exactly 5,000 subscribers. Just take a look here. I have got 5,000 subscribers when I am recording this video, and thank you very much to all of the people who have been supporting me, who have been encouraging me to upload videos, and for all of your support guys, I am here with this milestone of 5,000 subscribers. Alright, so here in this particular video I am going to answer how much I make as a small YouTuber. Okay, so let me just share my screen with you, and I'm going to show you the exact amount. So I'm going to my YouTube channel and just let me click on Creator Studio. Okay, so I've got 5,002 subscribers. That's great, thank you. And here are basic stats. As you can see, these analytics are showing for last 28 days, and I have got total 56,326 views in last 28 days, and my subscribers added to my list, 1,068 subscribers added to my total subscriber count by last 28 days. And here is the revenue, your estimated revenue $240 by last 28 days. So just let me get into this analytics page to give you a better overview here. Okay, it's showing me last 7 days, so let me just make a change or give a specific days, last 30 days. And here, so all of the informations, watch time in last 30 days I have got 3,761 watch hours from all of my videos, and you will need to have 4,000 watch hour by 365 days. So don't worry, this is very easy. Okay, and then here average view duration, most of the subscribers or the viewers are watching my videos for 3 minutes and 46 seconds on an average. And then here are the views. I have got total almost 60,000, and I have made $256. Actually it's almost $257, and my highest income was 20.92, so $21 almost in a day. And let me see how much I'm making on an average per day. So 256 point, let's see, 85 multiply dividing with 30 days. So let's see, so I'm making average 8.5. so that's how much I'm making per day from YouTube, actually from this YouTube channel. Okay, so I've got few more. Alright, so here are other stats. You may see many people are actually sharing my YouTube videos, and I'm really thankful to all of them, and I hope this video is going to get some shares as well, so I'd appreciate it. And here I've got 1,372 likes. That's great to see, and I hope this video is going to get more. Okay, and then videos in playlist, subscriber counts that I have received. So these are the basic informations of the statistics. All right, and what else I can share? Let me do. Okay, so the question was how much I make as a small YouTuber. So I'm actually going, I don't mind if I just share how much I have made so far. So as I have shown here, this channel was created on September 21st 2017, but actually I am making money from December 12th December 2018. So it's almost 3 months, and let's see how much I have made. So I'm going to put the date to last 3 months or last 90 days, and let's see how much I have made. Okay, so here is the stats. $585 from last 3 months, and here as you can see it was just fluctuating, or actually it was increasing. The sometimes it's fluctuated, as you can see. It's went down, went up, then went down, went up, and this is how it is now sustaining into a level of $8.50 per day. All right, so if you're a small YouTuber, if you're just starting out, then just don't worry. So as you can see, let me just show you from lifetime to give you a better idea. If you could take your passions, and if you could be consistent with uploading videos, then someday you will get the success. So here once again, from September 21st 2017 to, let's see what is the date here. Actually it's not showing me the date. Let's just click and see how long it takes to get the first income. So here 12/11/2018 was 0, but when I am going to 12/12/2018, I have made 52 cents. So almost after 1 year, and September, 1 year and 3 months almost, then I have just started making money through this channel. But I'm going to upload videos, I'm going to share the ways to all of you guys, the guidelines there, so that your process will be much faster than mine for sure. Okay, so if you just follow my guidelines. All right, so now my question is, would you love to learn the process how you can make money on YouTube, and what are the questions do you have that I can help you with by answering? Okay, just feel free to ask me by commenting below, and I will get back to you as soon as possible with a written comment, written answer, or with a video instruction. Okay, so I hope you have got some idea on this topic, that how much a small YouTuber can make, and I believe you have found this video helpful. And if you have found this video helpful, please like this video to encourage me, and please share this video to encourage others as well. So I believe you are already motivated, so just motivate others as well. And then just let me know your opinion by commenting below, and if you have got any question as well, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much for being with me.